How to make money online in Uganda today. Here are 13 steps. The world is becoming more virtual, increasing the number of ways you can make money online. An online work-from-home situation offers a lot of perks, including flexibility, a comfortable environment, and no stressful commute. Here are the steps on how to make money online in Uganda. 1. Play online games. If you used to get yelled at for playing computer games instead of doing your homework, your time has come. Now you can earn money for doing that. Game creators eager to build traffic and test concepts will pay if you play. And websites such as Swagbucks are the way to cash in. 2. Complete online surveys. If you are looking to get rich, online surveys are not the way to do it. But on websites like Inbox Dollars, filling in surveys will let you make some extra cash to spend on daily expenses. According to its website, each Inbox Dollars survey takes between 3 and 25 minutes to complete and pays between 50 cents and $5. 3. Test the next viral app. It may seem like the world's most popular apps just pop into existence. But in reality, there is a whole team behind the scenes designing, coding, and marketing them, on those teams need people to test their work to ensure they avenue done the best job possible. Free cash offers you the opportunity to become that tester on to be paid for it, in some cases quite handsomely. 3. Start a side hustle. Having a side hustle or side gig in addition to a full-time job is pretty normal these days. Many people make a decent amount of money using side hustle apps such as DoorDash or Uber. If you don't want to go door-to-door delivering food or don't have a car or the car insurance needed to become an Uber driver, you can look for other opportunities. 4. Sell websites or online businesses. Got a website or online business with a decent following or perhaps a desirable domain name registered in your name? There is money to be made from flipping websites. You just need to know where to look. Often the biggest hurdle is figuring out how much the website or business is worth and finding interested buyers. 5. Start a blog. If you love to write and have something useful or inspiring to say, consider starting a blog. A blog is a website where you regularly share your ideas or expertise with your readers. Before you start sharing your thoughts, you need to create a website. 6. Write a newsletter. An online newsletter is an email you send out to your subscribers to share information or promote a product or service. Let's say you have a blog or a YouTube channel that is all about yoga. In your newsletter, you can promote your favorite yoga wear using affiliate links. 7. Create a YouTube channel. If you always dreamed of being the next big YouTube star, now is your chance. To make money on YouTube you need views and subscribers, lots of them. 8. Write an ebook. Have you been sitting on a book idea for years? If so, why not try to self-publish and sell an ebook online? From financial advice and self-help to cookbooks and fiction, there is no end to what you can write about. If you have expertise on a subject and want to share your knowledge, an ebook is a great way to get the word out. 9. Voiceover acting. For those with a beautiful, unique, or radio announcer tone, have you considered voiceover work? Successful voiceover actors often have a background in acting, though it is not necessary, and are able to do different characters or accents. Voiceover actors can find work narrating ebooks, online videos, or online ads. 10. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a remote worker who offers administrative support to different clients. Successful virtual assistants are organized, reliable, and tech-savvy. 11. Twitch streaming. Twitch lets gamers and other creators stream their content live. Similar to a YouTube channel, you make money by becoming a Twitch partner or a Twitch affiliate. There are several ways to monetize your content on Twitch, including subscriptions and affiliates. Subs allow your viewers to pay a monthly fee to support your channel. 12. Test websites and apps. If you like being paid to take surveys, you might also enjoy earning money or rewards to test websites and apps. Instead of answering questions about specific products, you get to use websites and apps and provide your feedback. 13. Sell used items. Is your garage or hallway closet overflowing with stuff? Maybe it is time to part with some of your old coats, toys, or kitchen appliances. Doing so not only frees up space in your household,